Hello, everyone. Once again, welcome to FTGFs Weekly Market Outlook. And what we do is we analyze the market and share with you potential market moves and how to make good use of some of the opportunities coming up in the coming week. Okay. So we look at the forex market, crypto markets, commodities markets, and any other market that we believe there are chances. There are going to be some movements there that's going to help traders. So once again, you're welcome, and please ensure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Enjoy more educational content going forward. Now, the platform or the broker we are using is Ingot Brokers. And why are we using Ingot Brokers? Multi-regulated, established since 2006, regional partner of La Liga. And what I love about Ingot Brokers is that you get free quality education to help you as a trader. Also, you get free trading signals in the MT5 or in your dashboard. And then also, you can copy trades from people who are doing well. And the broker that ensures that, you are well equipped and enjoy trading using its platform. So yes, now let's delve into it. With the analysis, we look at fundamentals and then we look at technicals. The technicals, we look at that later, but with the fundamental bit, let's look at for events coming up in the coming week that is going to have impact in the forex market. Okay, so when you visit ingot.io, you go to resource hub. Okay, then you come down here, you scroll down to economic calendar like this. Now with economic calendar, it tells you, or you're going to check out events coming up in the week and how to position yourself. So 27th, that's today, to Friday is going to be 1st of August. Okay, all right. Then the type of news I would like us to have a look at is high impact news. Okay, because they come with a certain level of volatility. The countries I would like us to have a look at is United States, Australia, Canada, in the Eurozone. We scroll down, Japan, New Zealand, Switzerland, UK. Okay, now we have selected these countries because we would like to trade news coming out from there. Now let's start from 28th. That is going to be tomorrow. US, there's going to be news coming from there. Fed manufacturing index, and then on Tuesday, consumer confidence, job openings also coming up on Tuesdays. On Wednesday 30th, we have inflation news coming from Australia. Okay, something you need to pay very good attention to. We also have GDP news also coming from the Eurozone. You need to pay attention to that as well. And the thing is, there's going to be a lot of heat on Wednesday because we have Bank of Canada interest rates news coming up on Wednesday. And then later in the day, you're going to have interest rates also news coming from the US. Okay, so Wednesday is really going to be a very busy it's going to be a very busy day because we have interest rate news coming from the US and then also interest rate news coming from Canada. So you need to be mindful, think about proper risk management, and also think that there are high chances you can make some money in this events coming up. Okay, now on Thursday we have retail Australia news coming up. Japan, we have Japan interest rate news, okay, coming up on Thursday. You need to also stay prepared for that. Switzerland retail sales news coming up. Canada, New Zealand, Japan, and then on 1st of August we have inflation coming up, and then the almighty NFP. So next week is going to be busy for in the forex markets, and most especially for USD pairs, because we have interest rate news coming up, and then we also have NFP news coming up, the almighty NFP. Okay, so now that we have a fair idea of events coming up, let's say if you want to check out the events coming up, when you visit ingot.io, go to resources, you come to economic calendar, and the dates, you select the dates, high impact news, the countries you want to trade from, and then you are good to go. Okay, now looking at what we just saw, I believe that there's going to be a lot of volatility when it comes to USD pairs. Okay, because you have interest rate news coming from USA, and then also interest rate news also coming from Canada. So with a currency pair, I would like us to trade USDCAD. Okay, so there's a 4-hour time frame charts that we are looking at. I'll pick up my trend line. If you look at this, the USDCAD has been in a downtrend for some time now. Okay. Okay. Come. Okay. All right. So now, if you have a moment, if you have a close look at this, okay, if you have a close look at this, you realize that the downtrend move started from here. Okay, that's where it started from, and then it tried to go back, but then it got rejected here. Okay, so we had starting first rejection, and then price moved down to this point where it got rejected again. Okay, now if you look at this, the price is getting closer, extremely closer to the downtrend line. So if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, okay, you wait for the candlestick to break this downtrend line to the upside. Okay, then you place your buy trade and ensure you have your stop loss and take profits in place. That's proper risk management measures in place. If you're also a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for the downtrend line to reject the candlestick or the the price to the downside like this. Then you place your sell trade, ensure you have your stop loss and take profits in there, because that constitutes proper risk management. Okay, so this is the opportunity that we have in the forex market when it comes to USDCAD. Now USDJPY, okay, if you look at this closely, okay, so when we pick USDJPY, okay, remember, like I said, there's going to be interest rates news coming out from the US, and then interest rates news also coming from Japan. Okay, so there's going to be some volatility in here. Now if you take this, or you have a very close look at this, let's have a good look at this. Okay, so you would realize that this was the initial resistance, as you can see here. Okay, now when price got to that initial resistance that was established, price started hovering, breaking rejection, and then finally the price got rejected by the resistance to the downside and came down to this point. Okay, and as you can see price now approaching the resistance. So if you are a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, okay, you wait for this uptrend line to the resistance to get broken to the upside like this, then you place your buy trade. Okay, and then ensure you have your stop loss below the resistance, and then you take profit above the resistance. If you're also a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for the price to get rejected by the resistance to the downside, then you place your trade and ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, now in the commodities market, if you look at gold came up to the point where it got rejected by the initial resistance. Okay, so if you look at this was it. Okay, so there was price had started its rejection here, and then it got rejected here again, and then as soon as it got here, that's somewhere last week, it got rejected. Okay, and if you look at this, that has been it for some time now. Okay, so the gold is trying to doing all it can do to respect its key levels. Okay, now if you look at this, it has been an uptrend for some time now. So uptrend move starting from here. Okay, all right, so gold, we have the uptrend move starting from here, and then price got rejected here. Okay, then price kept moving up. It's tried coming down to trend reversal. Okay, so the uptrend reversal to the downside, but then the uptrend line kept rejecting it here again, and the another time, okay, it got rejected here, uptrend line rejected it again. And as we can see currently here, price has, or it broke the downtrend uptrend line to the downside, but we can see price testing the uptrend line. Okay, so now if you are a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, okay, in gold, as you can see, price has been rejected I think on 4 occasions with the uptrend line. If you're looking out for a buy opportunity, you wait for this uptrend line to get broken to the upside, then you place your buy trade. Okay, then ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. But if you're also looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for this uptrend line to get broken to the downside fully to place your sell trade. Okay, but like I always say, in all of these, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, now with BTCUSD, okay, if you look at BTCUSD as it stands now, we can also see that price has been in uptrend for some time now. So the uptrend move started from here, and then price got rejected here. Okay, now as we can see here, you realize that price has price broke the uptrend line to the downside. Okay, and currently we can see the price below the uptrend line. Now if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, wait for this candlestick or for the candlestick to break the resistance or the uptrend line to the upside like this, and then you ensure you have your stop loss below the uptrend line, take profit above the uptrend line. If you're also a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for the uptrend line to reject the price to the downside. Okay, then you ensure you have your stop loss, your take profit, and proper risk management measures in place. Okay, thank you for joining me. Catch you next week. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and use Ingot Brokers resources like the signals, education, copy trading. If you need any other thing, reach out to me. Thank you. Bye bye.